Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by immediately aligning nighttime data to your daytime SLT pipeline. Convert files to the same sample rate and channel layout. This prevents processing mismatches. Once done, add structured labels for context like device position and noise source so you can filter later. You also confirm consent and privacy flags before proceeding, because ethical use matters. These first actions let you move fast into feature extraction, without rework, and ensure your daytime models receive consistent, trustworthy inputs. You now transform raw nighttime recordings into actionable features for daytime SLT. Run noise reduction and voice enhancement first, then compute MFCC, spectral flux, and breathing-related metrics so models learn meaningful patterns. Once features exist, segment by labeled context and apply domain adaptation techniques, either reweight examples, fine-tune models with a small daytime batch, or augment data to simulate daytime conditions. These steps reduce distribution shift, and they let your daytime therapy models interpret nocturnal signals as usable clinical evidence. You finish by integrating the processed nighttime data into your daytime SLT workflow and running validation against known benchmarks and clinician review. Check accuracy, false positive rates, and whether the signals actually inform therapy decisions. This evaluation ensures clinical relevance. If results lag, troubleshoot by inspecting mismatch causes, sensor placement, noise type, or labeling errors, and then adjust augmentation, filters, or reweighting strategies accordingly. A single targeted fix often restores alignment and keeps your daytime therapy reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.